Hi there, and welcome to your Zen in 10 practice today. In today's practice, we're going to be looking at the magic of our breath work. And this practice is going to be the 10 breaths of balance. What we're going to do is we're going to inhale for a count of 4 and exhale for a count of 8. And we're going to incorporate a word with each breath. So it's inhale, peace, exhale, release, or various words like that through the in for 4, out for 8 count. It's just following along and listening to your body and only breathing in whatever way feels good for you. My breath count is just a suggestion, but please breathe whatever way feels comfortable for you. And the idea is that we're using the breath to calm the body, to steady the mind, and to really tune into that sense of Zen from within. So when you're ready, I'll invite you to find a comfortable position, sitting in a chair, on the floor, in your car, wherever feels good for you, somewhere you won't be disturbed and you're able to give yourselves these 10 minutes to practice. Soften the shoulders, sitting really tall, and if it's comfortable to do so, gently allowing the eyes to close. And just tuning into your natural rhythm of breath. No need to change anything yet, just noticing how your body breathes. For each breath in this practice, we're going to breathe in through the nose for a count of 4 and gently exhale through the mouth for a count of 8. As you breathe, let the words guide your focus. So ensuring your posture is upright, allowing the eyes to close. And when you're ready, to begin to inhale calm, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling tension, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhaling ease, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling stress, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhaling compassion, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling judgment, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhaling gratitude, 2, 3, 4, and exhale fear, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhaling strength, 2, 3, 4. Exhale fatigue, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale balance, 2, 3, 4, and exhale chaos, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale clarity, 2, 3, 4. Exhale confusion, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale presence, 2, 3, 4. And exhale distraction, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhaling peace, 2, 3, 4, and exhale release, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just returning your breath to its natural rhythm. noticing the stillness, the ease, and the balance within. Taking a moment here with your natural rhythm of breath. And noticing how the breath moves through the body. Take a final deep in breath through the nose and a long sigh through the mouth. We repeat that 3 times. Inhale through the nose. Exhale slowly through the mouth. 2 more like that. Breathing in deeply. Exhaling fully. And once more, long in breath. Deep full exhale. Slowly and gently bring a little movement into the body. In your own time, allow the eyes to open. Maybe a stretch or a yawn. And just noticing that connection to the present moment through the magic of breath. Thank you so much for practicing the Zen in 10 practice today. A little bit shorter than our normal practices, so feel free to choose another one or just bathe in that magic of your breath. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you want to see. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. See you next time. Namaste.